So this is going to be an extremely short video, but as gamers, not just people that are out there in the winter time or snowboarding, doing whatever like that, as gamers, when you're starting to play and you realize your hands are cold, this little thing is actually pretty badass. Like, I tried it out myself, actually used it this morning, believe it or not. It's a hand warmer by OCOOPA. Okay, OCOOPA. All right, the rechargeable hand warmers, they charge really quickly, actually. I didn't do this one a full charge, but it was completely, utterly dead. USB-C to USB, charged it for like a minute and a half, and it was already at 1 bar. So basically what you do, you grab this thing, you just hold it down, boom. And you can see the dot right there. That is the power. I'm gonna tell you right now, you're not gonna wanna use 3. 1 to 2 is perfectly fine. I just turned it on, and the damn thing is already hot. It is already hot. Now you can put this in your pocket. You can have it like in your hoodie pocket, just walk around with it. But this morning before I was playing Call of Duty and I actually hopped in, I was like, my hands are a little chilly to be playing. So I literally just did it like this. You get 2 of them in a pack, but I literally just put my fingers on it because what it does, it actually heats up right here, right on the top right there. If you want to just carry it around with you, you can hang it out. They got a little pot here for a little lanyard or whatever you want to hang on it. It works good. So there's the usage time right there. You've got about 7 hours at that one, 2 to 18 hours if you do it on a lower one. It says that they're magnetized. I'm actually going to unpack this one right here. Give me a second here. This is the one I use every morning. This is the other one. Let's see. Holy shit. Okay, yeah, definitely magnetized. Like, really well done too. Look, boop. So if you want to just do your fingers and your palm at the same time, that's what you do. And look at that, they fit perfectly, easy to hang. I mean, look at that. Come on, come on. The biggest thing I like about it as well is because I am one of those who likes to is fat and older as I am now, I still like to go sledding once in a while randomly. So if I had this in my pocket and it did get wet from the snow, it wouldn't matter. It's okay because it's IP45 water resistant, which is pretty freaking awesome. So works fantastically great. It's super smooth, and for my hands, like, this fits absolutely perfectly. It doesn't feel awkward. It doesn't feel like I'm carrying something that I don't want to carry. It actually, a little bit of my OCD, like, I kind of just want to fiddle with this damn thing, to be honest with you. But however, I digress. This thing is awesome. I really enjoy it. Check it out. I've got the Amazon affiliate link, which I do get commissions. I'm going to tell you right up front. They're on sale right now. Check it out. You can even give them to a friend or family member as a Christmas gift this year. Check it out. It's not just for people out there doing whatever they're doing, shopping or snowboarding, doing sports, but gamers as well, or even anyone. It's literally good for anyone. Like, these little things are not bad. Even for someone, I never thought I would ever use one in my life. But like I said, in the morning when I get on the computer and I'm about to type out resume or start gaming, whatever it is, I literally turn this on for a few minutes. You hold it down, it's off, you're done. That easy. So check it out. Appreciate you being here. Stay hydrated, stay cool and warm. Sadward out.